What's going on, everybody? Josh here of Scrapyard Films, and today I got another exciting video for you. I have scoured the internet and found all of the free plugins, all of the free assets, and all of the free scripts that I can find that are compiled by users, third parties, and famous companies, and I put them all on one site so you can download them for free. Now, before I forget, I'm super close to 10,000 subscribers, so if you want to help me out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like button, and then as soon as I hit 10,000, my goal, I'm going to be giving away a free LUT pack I created. All of the things I'm going to show you today are going to be available for download in the description below, scrapyardfilms.com/downloads. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay, to start this off, we're going to talk about NewBlue. NewBlue is a company that makes plugins. They've been around for a long time, and they're really awesome. They've released two things for free that you can get. One is called NewBlue Prime, and it comes with a bunch of effects and transitions. To get that, you have to download Avid Media Composer, which is a different video editor. Once you go to avid.com, click Media Composer first, create an account, and then go ahead and download it, install it, register it. If you log back into Avid and go to the products page, you're going to see NewBlue Prime right there. Go ahead and download and install that, and you want to create an account with NewBlue as well and link it up there, because then you will have it forever for free legally. And then once you've installed it, it actually works on Vegas Pro, so you're not forced to use Avid if you don't want to. The next one is NewBlue's Cartooner. They released this about 10 years ago, and it's really old. Now, it is working on Vegas Pro 17, but it is kind of glitchy, so whenever you apply it and whatnot, it's going to probably ask you to register an email address, but it's never going to really successfully do that. It didn't do it for me. It just kept doing script errors. So it works, and it kind of looks like this, and if you want something like that, it looks pretty cool, but it may be just a little bit finicky. Next is a program called Vegasaur. Everybody should know about this one. It's been around for a super long time. They created their own looks program, and it can be installed and used inside Vegas itself. It can give you film looks kind of like this, or this, and it's pretty cool. After that, we have a really useful plugin I like, and that's AAV6CC, so AAV Color Lab. This plugin lets you selectively manipulate 6 channels of colors, plus it has a bunch of other little effects in it. It's really awesome, really free, and I use it all the time to amplify certain colors. Next, a company called SEMW. They create a couple of programs, and one of their free ones is Auto Levels. So this program basically messes with your hue, saturation, and luma. It's free, it's useful, it's for quick fixes. Next is a program created by one of the Vegas forum users, Peter P, and it is line animation. So you can use it to create lines on maps, or you can make it like do something like this and make lines appear on the screen. There are a couple other free programs on there, but they're so old and outdated. I've tested them and they just don't work with Vegas anymore. And since they're old and outdated, they're never going to be updated at this point. So I've left them out of this video. But back in the downloads page, you will see a bunch of assets. I have blood splatter effects, explosions, gunshots, VCR fonts, cinematic bars, and then we have scripts as well. Scripts that allow you to do certain things, kind of like make planar tracking easier or planar tracking. And then you can download a bunch of project files that contain lower thirds, and then extra little transitions as well. I even have free LUTs on there. So go to the link in the description, check it out, download some free stuff. Now while you're there, you're also going to see stuff for the VIP Lounge, which that's for Scrapyard supporters. If you support the channel for as low as $1 a month, then you can get access to the VIP Lounge, which has a bunch more downloads, which includes more LUTs, assets, stuff like this Dr. Strange shield, and then a bunch of other project files for my cool stuff that I have. But of course, that's optional. You can learn all about supporting the channel in the description below. So thanks again for watching, everybody, and I'll see y'all in the next video. And I want to give a shout out to all my supporters, especially my super scrappers, LMC, HPL Gamers, and Old Man Beta.